Welcome to GardenBound. Today we're diving into the benefits of using fish emulsion fertilizer in your garden. Looking for a natural way to boost your garden's health and productivity? Fish emulsion might be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll explore what fish emulsion is, delve into its benefits, show you how to use it, and share tips for maximizing its effectiveness in your garden. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your experiences or questions about using fish emulsion fertilizer. Fish emulsion is a highly effective liquid fertilizer made from the byproducts of fish processed for fish oil and fish meal, such as bones, scales, and skin. This natural fertilizer stands out due to its impressive nutrient profile, particularly rich in nitrogen, a key nutrient essential for promoting vigorous, leafy growth in plants. It also contains significant amounts of phosphorus and potassium, crucial for root development, flower and fruit production, and overall plant health. Additionally, fish emulsion provides a broad spectrum of trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which support various physiological functions in plants and contribute to robust growth and resilience against environmental stresses. One of the great advantages of fish emulsion is its versatility and accessibility. It can be found readily at most garden centers in pre-made convenient forms, making it an easy addition to any gardener's toolkit. For those who enjoy DIY projects or have access to fish waste, homemade fish emulsion can be crafted using leftover fish parts and a bit of time to ferment. This homemade approach not only recycles waste, but also allows gardeners to create a custom fertilizer blend tailored to their specific gardening needs. Whether purchased or homemade, fish emulsion is a sustainable, organic option that enriches soil fertility, enhances plant growth, and aligns with eco-friendly gardening practices. Using fish emulsion as a fertilizer offers a multitude of benefits that significantly enhance the health and productivity of your garden. Its high nitrogen content promotes lush, vigorous leafy growth, making it particularly beneficial for green, leafy vegetables, and foliage plants. The phosphorus in fish emulsion supports robust root development and is vital for flowering and fruiting processes, ensuring that plants have the strength to produce abundant blooms and fruits. Additionally, potassium in fish emulsion helps strengthen plant cell walls, improves disease resistance, and supports overall plant health and metabolic functions. Beyond these macronutrients, fish emulsion also supplies a variety of trace minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which are essential for various physiological processes and help to prevent nutrient deficiencies. Another significant advantage of fish emulsion is its role as an organic and sustainable fertilizer. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment and deplete soil health over time, fish emulsion is a natural product that supports eco-friendly gardening practices. By using fish emulsion, gardeners can reduce their reliance on chemical fertilizers, which often contribute to soil and water pollution. Instead, fish emulsion integrates into natural cycles, breaking down into organic matter that enhances soil fertility without the negative environmental impact associated with synthetic products. This sustainable approach aligns with principles of organic gardening, promoting long-term soil health and ecosystem balance. Making your own fish emulsion at home is a straightforward process that involves fermenting fish waste to create a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. Start by gathering fish scraps such as heads, bones, scales, and skins from your kitchen or a local fish market. Avoid using fish parts that are heavily salted or seasoned. Place these scraps in a large, sealable container. For every pound of fish waste, add about 2 cups of brown sugar or molasses, which will aid in the fermentation process by feeding beneficial microbes. Fill the container with water, ensuring the fish parts are fully submerged, but leave some space at the top to allow for expansion as the mixture ferments. Seal the container tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks, stirring occasionally to encourage breakdown and even fermentation. After the fermentation period, strain the liquid to remove solid particles, and your fish emulsion is ready to use. Dilute the fish emulsion at a ratio of 1:100 or 1 ounce of emulsion to 1 gallon of water before applying it to your plants. This homemade fish emulsion provides a potent, organic fertilizer that can boost plant growth and enrich your soil with essential nutrients. Fish emulsion also plays a crucial role in enhancing soil health by by boosting microbial activity in the soil. Beneficial microbes, such as bacteria and fungi, thrive in the presence of organic matter like fish emulsion. These microorganisms break down organic compounds into simpler forms that plants can readily absorb, effectively improving nutrient availability and soil structure. This microbial activity helps create a rich, well-structured soil that retains moisture and nutrients better, providing a supportive environment for plant roots. The ongoing decomposition of organic matter in fish emulsion also leads to the gradual release of nutrients, offering sustained nourishment to plants over time. Moreover, the liquid form of fish emulsion provides the additional benefit of quick absorption by plants. When applied as a foliar spray or soil drench, the nutrients in fish emulsion are rapidly taken up by plant tissues, making them available for immediate use. This fast-acting nature is particularly useful for plants showing signs of nutrient deficiency or stress, as it delivers a prompt boost of essential nutrients that can quickly correct deficiencies and invigorate growth. The quick absorption also means that plants can respond almost immediately to the nutrients, making fish emulsion an excellent choice for supporting plant health during critical growth phases or periods of high demand. Using fish emulsion in your garden is straightforward, but achieving the best results requires following precise instructions for dilution, application, and frequency. Fish emulsion is typically diluted with water to ensure that it provides a gentle yet effective dose of nutrients to your plants without causing root burn or other issues. The recommended dilution ratio is 1:100, meaning you should mix 1 ounce of fish emulsion with 1 gallon of water. This dilution rate creates a nutrient solution that is safe for most plants and allows for even distribution across your garden. Always check the product label for specific instructions, as some brands might have slightly different dilution guidelines based on their formulation. There are 2 primary methods for applying fish emulsion, as a foliar spray or directly to the soil. Each method has its benefits and is suitable for different situations. When used as a foliar spray, the diluted fish emulsion is sprayed directly onto the leaves of the plants. This application method allows plants to absorb nutrients through their leaves, providing a quick nutrient boost. Foliar feeding is particularly beneficial during critical growth stages, such as flowering or fruiting, or when plants are showing signs of nutrient deficiency. To apply, use a spray bottle or garden sprayer to coat the leaves thoroughly, focusing on both the upper and lower surfaces for maximum absorption. Avoid applying foliar sprays during the hottest part of the day to prevent leaf burn. Early morning or late afternoon is ideal. Alternatively, fish emulsion can be applied directly to the soil around your plants, where it can be absorbed by the roots. This method is particularly effective for providing a steady, long-term supply of nutrients. To apply, simply pour the diluted fish emulsion at the base of each plant, ensuring that the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. This soil drench method supports root health and helps build soil fertility over time. It's especially useful for feeding larger plants or those with deep root systems that benefit from nutrient absorption at the root level. For optimal results, apply fish emulsion every 3-4 weeks during the growing season. This regular application schedule ensures that plants receive a consistent supply of nutrients to support ongoing growth and development. During periods of rapid growth or high nutrient demand, such as the peak of the growing season, you might choose to apply more frequently, but always monitor plant response and adjust as needed. Over-application can lead to nutrient imbalances or excessive vegetative growth at the expense of flowers or fruits, so it's crucial to stick to the recommended schedule unless specific needs dictate otherwise. To maximize the effectiveness of fish emulsion fertilizer in your garden, it's essential to pay attention to the timing of application, how you combine it with other fertilizers, and proper storage practices. Here's a detailed look at how to get the most out of this versatile organic fertilizer. Timing. Applying fish emulsion at the right time of day can significantly enhance its absorption and effectiveness. The best times to apply fish emulsion are early in the morning or late in the evening. During these cooler periods, plants are more receptive to nutrient uptake, and the risk of rapid evaporation is minimized. Midday applications, especially under direct sunlight, can cause the liquid to evaporate quickly, reducing the amount of nutrients that plants can absorb. Additionally, applying during cooler hours helps avoid leaf burn or stress that can occur when plants are exposed to intense heat and strong sunlight right after feeding. This careful timing ensures that the maximum amount of nutrients from the fish emulsion is absorbed into the plant tissues or roots. Combination with other fertilizers. Fish emulsion is an excellent source of immediate nutrients, but for a balanced and comprehensive nutrient supply, it's beneficial to combine it with other fertilizers. Integrating fish emulsion with compost or other organic fertilizers can provide a more complete nutrient profile, supporting all aspects of plant growth. Compost, rich in organic matter and slow-release nutrients, complements the fast-acting nature of fish emulsion. While fish emulsion delivers a quick boost of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, compost provides long-term soil conditioning and a steady nutrient release. This combination fosters a robust and healthy garden ecosystem. You can also mix fish emulsion with other specific organic fertilizers to tailor the nutrient mix to the needs of your plants. For instance, combining it with bone meal can enhance phosphorus levels, supporting strong root and flower development. Storage. Proper storage of fish emulsion is crucial to maintain its nutrient integrity and prevent spoilage. Fish emulsion, being a natural product, can degrade if exposed to unfavorable conditions. To preserve its effectiveness, always store your fish emulsion in a cool, dark place. Heat and light can accelerate the breakdown of organic compounds in the emulsion, leading to a loss of nutrient potency and possibly unpleasant odors. Keeping the fish emulsion in a sealed, airtight container helps prevent exposure to air, which can cause oxidation and spoilage. Many gardeners find that storing fish emulsion in a garage, shed, or a dedicated garden storage area works well. Ensure that the storage area is away from direct sunlight and fluctuating temperatures to keep the fish emulsion fresh and effective for longer periods. Fish emulsion fertilizer is a powerful, natural way to enhance your garden's health and productivity. Its rich nutrient profile, organic nature, and rapid absorption make it an excellent choice for gardeners looking to boost plant growth and improve soil quality sustainably. By following the best practices for application, combination, and storage, you can maximize the benefits of this versatile fertilizer in your gardening routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GardenBound, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!